Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video, I will show you how to use the QLineEdit control in our Qt widget application. Today in this video, I will show you how to customize or change the style sheet of our Qt widget control, QLineEdit control. So let's start. Just simply select your line edit control and here change style sheet and write your style sheet here. So let's apply some basic and simple style sheet. Write your class name here. So first of all, let's set the border as a none. Okay, so you can see the border was removed. Now also let's set the border bottom, or first of all let's set the background color. Background color set, let's set a random color. Okay, now let's set your change the text color also. So here just simply set a white color. So you can see this is a placeholder text by default, and here we applied your text color. So also set here some padding also. Let's set here 10 pixel. Okay, and now let's set the border bottom. (5px) solid. Let's set the some random color. Okay, so you can see this is our border bottom. Here you can see. Now let's apply and run this application first. So you can see this is the padding which I set. Our font color is also white. Now let's also apply the change the style sheet when we click or select any specific text box. So there is a one more property is called a focus. Okay, (5 pixel) solid. Let's set here some random color. Okay, now let's run this application and check this. So you can see when I select our specific text box, at that time you can see this wall border was applied on the our text box control. Okay, so you can see this is how our text box look like. This is a normal text box and this is our style sheet applied text box. You can change the or customize the color according to the theme or your application template. Okay, or application design based on. Also you can apply the border radius and other things. Let's set the 10 pixel. So you can see this is a border area, but it not look like a properly fit border bottom color. So just let me remove this line. Also you can apply the some gradient here also. So let me apply the background color as a gradient. There is some by default colors. Let's select this one, rainbow gradient, and apply. So you can see this is our how background color look like with the gradient. Now let's run this application. So you can see this is our rainbow color was applied on our background. So how we can customize or change your text box control and make the attractive text box control for your application. So you can just simply you can compare, this is our normal text box and this is our style sheet apply text box. So there is a between huge difference. It looks like very attractive. Okay, So this is how you can customize or change the style sheet according your application requirement. So here there is a two basic common property. So whenever user entering the any data in your line edit control, set the focus event will automatically called and apply the style sheet accordingly whatever you define here. You can also set the font type, font style here by default. Okay, so this is the, for that you do not need to apply any style sheet, but you can also apply if you want to do add font or add color. Okay, and also you can add your resource here if you want to add or display any background image for that, so also you can set for that. And there is some gradient, or also you can change the background color while editing or whenever user is select. We can also right now we applied a border, but also you can change the color like let's set any random color, and let's see. Wait for the build. So you can see this is how our text box look like whenever this is the when, but this is default color, but whenever select you can see the background color was automatically applied. So it's totally depends on you which kind of color theme you want to develop for your application, and this is how you can apply the or change the style sheet according your application theme. You can simply compare the current text box and this is our normal text box. Both are the very different. So some property are also common for the our eco mode also. Let's set eco mode as a now as a password and check for this here. Style sheet will remain same, but our text color or text encrypt as a dot. Okay. Wait for the build. So you can see our text is text box remains same, but our text box was changed. Okay, and here you can see the text change event is automatically also called, and now let's press enter. So you can see the editing finish event is also called. So this is how we can customize our text line edit control in our Qt widget application, and how we can apply the style sheet or make an attractive text box or attractive line edit to get the user input from the user. So please drop your comment if you have any questions regarding QLineEdit control style sheet, and please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell again to get the notification of new video. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.